We live in an age where stress seems to be around every corner. At work, at college, even at home. So as a result, stress might have led you to almost the breaking point. Every week at college, I usually have a lot of assignments to do, and usually in a very small amount of time. So the result is I get so much under pressure and stressed out that sometimes I just feel like my brain is about to explode. And this is just the same even with my colleagues, who also complain that the workload is just unbelievable sometimes.
The treatment, the director's treatment, is just like get it done before shooting.
It's just that you have too much stuff, and
it's a lot.
I mean, when are you actually supposed to think? You know,
auditions, more stuff to suck up our time. Auditions tomorrow. What time is that again?
12 to 5. One day when I was at home, I was working on planning for my final directing class, and I just had so much work to do that day, and I was thinking, you know what, there's something missing there, and I need to maybe perhaps just leave my work and go out there and hunt for a location to shoot, because there was a scene that which is in my short film, which I wanted to shoot in a park, and I just decided I'm just gonna leave my work and just go out there and look for a good park to shoot in. I was there, and I went close to Lawrence Park, and there was just this other park which sort of grabbed my attention. The park was just so beautiful, and the main reason I was there was to look for a location, but I was so mesmerized by the beauty of this place, and just the nature there, the trees, the gardens, and just this, I felt this state of tranquility.
This is such a beautiful park.
All of a sudden, all my worries and all my problems and all my stress just started to gradually fade away. By experiencing the beauty of nature, we can become more relaxed and better able to take on life's challenges. It can awaken your senses, allowing you to see things you might have missed before. My visit to the park and my encounter with nature and forests and trees, and it reminded me of when I first came to Canada back in September 2007, where I used to have more free time, and I remember that every week I used to go to Toronto Island. I used to take the ferry boat and go to Toronto Island, and it's just this huge park. I always believed that nature has its own way to calm you down. That's why at that time I was more of a relaxed person, that I was more stress-free than now. it always seems to me that nature is such a great stress reliever, you know. It's not just leaving your work and going, maybe watching TV a little bit. No, the answer is out there. You will experience that nature has a way to relieve your stress. It's the most available way. It's just out there. It needs time, but it's definitely worth it.